Aster.
Hello everyone, I'm Aster here.
It's a good morning, Aster Chan.
Magandang hapon natin, I'm Aster natin.
Kumusta ka naman, Master G?
What is up, it's here in 2000 po si Aster.
Hello everyone, I'm Aster Lawrence. Hi everybody, this is Aster Will. What's up, team? This is Aster Will. Hello team, this is Aster John. What's up, team? Ako po si Aster Miguel. And hello everyone, I'm Aster Will. Kumusta? Kumusta po? Wait lang, Aster. Gusto ko lang i-express to kasi kanina ko pa gusto i-express hindi ko na ma-express. Guys, grabe yung sigaw na 18!
Ramdam na ramdam ang Viva Prize, kaya isang malakas ka na Viva Prize! Viva Prize! Viva Prize! Viva Prize! Viva Prize! Maraming salamat po 18 for, welcoming us with such warm English. And gusto ko lang sila i-comment na kasi grabe talaga yung energy namin. Talaga. Pangalan na tayong performer na games na lahat ang dami namin perform pero grabe pa rin ang sigawan. Paniningan niyo sa sigawan mga yan! Ayan, I think nakapagpahinga naman na tayo, no? I think, guys, ready na ba kayo for our next performance?
Yes!
Pero before we start, papaliwanag mo ni Way kung anong song yun.
Yes, and
Hindi pa siya handa.
hindi ba siya nagtatapos ang ating mga performances for today? Dahil ang ating next song is also a song of SB19, tama?
Yes, of
And
course.
this song is something about treasuring our families, our loved ones habang tayo ay may oras pa. Kaya sinasabi mo sa katabi mo, it's time! Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, it's time!
It's time!
Kaya so for our next performance, we're going to sing our song, Ang Time by SB19.
Let's go for it.